Alright, I'm pretty sure this is your main jet that goes into here. That's the only thing that makes any sense. And it seems plugged up. There we go. Alright, let's put it all back together. That guy goes in there. This guy goes in there. This through there. That back on the same way you took it off. But I'm fairly certain that's gonna fix it. Clean my main jet out. I hope so. Alright, let's try again. Alright, let's try to make this carburetor just a little better. It's running pretty decent. Alrighty. That's the bowl. Got it off. Here's your float. That's the pin that holds the float in. Pull that float out. Check your needle out. It looks fucking clean. And then down in here there's a seat. Fuel comes in here. Out there. Where that needle is. I just wanted to clean that out real good. I should have done that earlier, but yeah, I didn't clean inside of there at all. Alright. Now you can see through that guy, but there we go. That's what you want. Good, clean stream through the jack. Alright. Now while the jet's out, go ahead and clean that passage out too. You put your jet in. You take your float with your needle. Lay it back down into place. Then you slide your float pin through, and the bowl keeps that from going all the way out. Alright. Make sure it's clean of debris. Orient it properly. Pop it into place. Boom. Just because the carburetor looks brand new doesn't mean it's going to act brand new. I mean, look at that thing. She's clean. Whole motor looks great. But now we're good. I'm going to take this back and put it on the boat. I just want to make sure I had it all cleaned up real good. And go stick her back on. See how she does. Thanks for watching. Doing Stuff with Dylan. Like, comment, and subscribe.